Hi everyone, good afternoon to Maria Cristina B. Ditan, the Dean of the College of Business Education, to Sir Edwin Gonzalez, the CPA Head Operation Director, to Mamutiay Cocha, Scholarship Coordinator, and to Sir Francisco Nicolo Nicolas III, the Vice President of the Lewis College. Good afternoon, Louisian. Welcome to our final stage of our college life. I would like to congratulate you, graduates. We made it. A pleasant day to everyone. I would like to give thanks for all the comradeship and continue inspiring me working hard to achieve my goals to become the best I can be, year after year. I would like you to listen in silence for a moment to express my gratitude to you, my fellow graduates, to the younger generations, to my beloved parents, and to all the persons who are being part of my success. I hope I will inspire you to encourage you to walk your path to success. To my fellow graduates, thank you for all the wisdom and knowledge that we shared during our hard time. Thank you for the leadership and teamwork that we enjoyed during our college days. We believe that by leadership, we can only achieve progress through teamwork. And thank you for the friendship that we laughed together, for the good and bad memories, for the tears of joy, and even for the sad days. That you are always ready to listen, sympathize, and understand what we feel each other. A wholehearted gratitude to all my co-working students who show their virtue in having strong moral uprightness. Those days we are happy to provide service with our superiors what they needed in a timely manner. You know that feeling? Even we are tired, we are willing to continue serving them. We don't mind exhausting because we believe that is the way to reach our dreams. Remember that days we are working so hard while balancing our studies. Imagine we're mopping the floor, cleaning the dust from the wall, buying office supply, and a servant to them. But do you want to know if that is the worst thing I experienced from the Lewis College? For me, it is not, because we could learn from that. We can experience in the future, and that is my best experience I can't forget that I earned in my life. The younger generation, just keep believing in yourself and believes to the Lord, He will guide you in everything you do. Have faith in Him. Respect people as you want to be respected. It will serve you as your reflection in your life to meet your goal. We should treat people as equals without prejudice. I want you to remember this and keep in your mind. The Louisians' golden rule stated, do unto others as you want others do unto you. To our parents, we all know that they are always there for us to support. If you can hear this, say thank you to your parents for all their sacrifices that we achieve right now. To my parents, Laling Lagto, thank you for your undying love and support. I know how much you wanted to pursue my dreams. You're always reminding me every day, every minute, second, stop failing God. For me to have strength and don't lose my hope. Even you're too old for work, but it doesn't matter to you. You're always wanted to find extra jobs for me to provide a weekly allowance. I'm very much appreciated that. I think it is the time to pay you back. So graduates, we should promise them to return their all sacrifices and continue our new journey for our parents. To all the admin staff and instructors, thank you for your undying efforts, consideration, patience, and for understanding for those students who are importunate. Sorry for our bad attitude and thank you for teaching our minds, touching our hearts, and transforming our lives. To the accounting office staff, Ma'am Dayo, Ma'am Josephine, Ma'am Nicole, and to Ma'am Ophelia, thank you for your advices, experience, for the jokes and fun, challenges that I made myself strong every day. Thank you for being part of my success. To Sir Nico, thank you for your kind-hearted, for the opportunity, support, chances, and for your help as a working student. You let me experience being one of your employee. You train us well how to be ready in the field of businesses. Thank you for the key to success. Remember, graduates, this is not the end, it is just the beginning. In loving memory of our beloved Regional Francis Lewis, he said that keep going no matter what. Thank you.